Hey guys, it's Marshall here. Just a quick update on my channel. So, I have posted a video, like, today. Yeah, I posted a video. And, you know, the survival video I just posted. Yeah, you heard. 5 likes, and 1 person does #more on the comments. We will get a series of survivals until we destroy the Ender Dragon and the Wither. So yeah, guys. This update isn't just about the survival thing. It basically is, but yeah. So one thing about it is, for some reason, the video got cut really short, and I kind of accidentally deleted the part of the scene I needed. So yeah, I can't bring it back to you guys. We are gonna keep on doing the series if you guys do the 5 likes and the #more on the comment and like button. So what else? I don't know. I might be doing some Defiance, maybe the game Defiance. Anything? Whoa, my phone just looks very small. So yeah, guys, this is just a quick update about my channel, and I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you. Wait, no, not I hope you enjoyed. I hope you got informed. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Big Boss Show, signing off.